हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एग्रीकल्चर एजुकेशन। इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे एनएससी नेशनल सीड कॉरपोरेशन के ट्रेनी पोस्ट के लिए 2018 में पूछे गए क्वेश्चन पेपर और उनके सॉल्यूशन। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द डेप्थ ऑफ सोइंग सीड ऑफ ड्वार्फ व्हीट शुड बी 2 सेंटीमीटर, 4 सेंटीमीटर, 6 सेंटीमीटर, 8 सेंटीमीटर। So correct answer is 4 centimeter. Next question is the place of origin of pearl millet is. Option is Africa, Canada, USA and Japan. So correct answer is Africa. Next question is weedicide controlling Phalaris minor in wheat crop is. Option is atrazine, isoproteron, paraquat, 2,4-D. So correct answer is isoproteron. Next question is time of transplanting boro paddy is. Option is March, July, August, December. So correct answer is December. Next question is scented variety of rice is. Option is Aya 24, Narendra 1, Saket 4 and Kasturi. So correct answer is Kasturi. Next question is kernel of groundnut contains oil percentage of. Option is 20, 32, 48, 64. So correct answer is 48. Next question is optimum diameter of potato tuber for seed is. Option is 1.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. So correct answer is 2.5 centimeter. Next question is first irrigation in dwarf wheat is scheduled at. Option is 10 to 15 day after sowing, 20 to 25 day after sowing, 30 to 40 day after sowing and 50 to 55 day after sowing. So correct answer is 20 to 25 day after sowing. Next question is which of the following nutrient is beneficial but not essential to plants? Option is calcium, sodium, iron, boron. So correct answer is sodium. Next question is plant nutrient increasing disease resistance in plant is. Option is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, none of these. So correct answer is potassium. Next question is soil structure appropriate for crop production is. Option is columnar, oblique, granular, compact. So correct answer is granular. Next question is suitable day temperature for growth of main rabi crop is. Option is 5 to 6 degrees Celsius, 6 to 8 degrees Celsius, 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, 27 to 29 degrees Celsius. So correct answer is 27 to 29 degrees Celsius. Next question is essential micronutrient is. Option is potassium, calcium, sulfur, manganese. So correct answer is manganese. Next question is form of zinc absorbed by plant is. Option is Zn plus 1, Zn plus 2, Zn plus 3 and none of these. So correct answer is Zn plus 2. Next question is symbiotic bacteria is. Option is Azotobacter, algae, fungi, rhizobium. So correct answer is rhizobium. Next question is green manure crop providing maximum nitrogen is. Option is moong, guar, sanai, lobia. So correct answer is sanai. Next question is material used to control acidity in decomposition of compost is. Option is urea, ammonium sulfate, potassium sulfate, lime. So correct answer is lime. Next question is proper method of crop production against slope is. Option is crop rotation, strip cropping, dry farming, none of these. So correct answer is strip cropping. Next question is percentage of sand in clay soil is. Option is 80%, 70%, 50%, 30%. So correct answer is 30%. Next question is proper method of application of DAP is. Option is broadcasting, seed mixing, solution form and below seed in furrow. So correct answer is below seed in furrow. Next question is best method of irrigation in wheat from canal is. Option is flooding, check basin, ring method, border strip method. So correct answer is border strip method. Next question is proper time to use Simazin for control of weeds in sugarcane is. Option is before planting, before germination, after germination and none of these. So correct answer is before germination. Next question is suitable soil for plant growth is. Option is sandy, loamy, clay. So correct answer is loamy. Next question is steel used in construction of agricultural implements is. Option is mild steel, high carbon steel, soft center steel, all of these. So correct answer is all of these. Next question is plow clearance is. Option is distance under the beam to ground, the amount of grass cleared under the beam, the curvature of the beam or depth of the furrow. So correct answer is distance under the beam to the ground. Next question is scraper is used for. Option is plowing small fields, taking soil from one place to another, and leveling or grass cutting. So correct answer is leveling. Next question is interculture of crops is done for. Option is aeration of soil, uprooting of grasses, conserving moisture, and all of these. So correct answer is all of these. Next question is Sahiwal cow has which one body coat color among the following? Option is red, white, black, black with white patches. So correct answer is red. Next question is breeding track of Jamuna Pari goat is which one among the following? Option is Chakarnagar, Chamba, Madhubani, Aligarh. So correct answer is Chakarnagar. Next question is which one is an exotic breed of sheep? Option is Bikaneri, Gaddi, Kathiawadi, Merino. So correct answer is Merino. Next question is edible part of Nolkhol is. Option is modified leaf, modified flower, modified stem, modified root. So correct answer is modified stem. Next question is seed rate of main season onion per hectare is. Option is 2 to 4 kg, 5 to 7 kg, 8 to 10 kg, 11 to 12 kg. So correct answer is 5 to 7 kg. Next question is Banarasi Karaka is a variety of. Option is banana, brinjal, bottle gourd, bear. So correct answer is bear. Next question is nitrogen requirement of banana per plant is. Option is 200 gram, 400 gram, 600 gram, 800 gram. So correct answer is 200 gram. Next question is Arka Harit is a variety of. Option is bottle gourd, sponge gourd, bitter gourd, and muskmelon. So correct answer is bitter gourd. Next question is banana sweet is a variety of. Option is chili, muskmelon, apple, banana. So correct answer is chili. Next question is muskmelon in North India is sown in. Option is February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So correct answer is February, March. Next question is seed rate of bottle gourd for summer crop is. Option is 2 to 3 kg per hectare, 4 to 5 kg per hectare, 6 to 7 kg per hectare, and 8 to 9 kg per hectare. So correct answer is 4 to 5 kg per hectare. Next question is family of carrot is. Option is Umbelliferae, Solanaceae, Cruciferae, and Apiaceae. So correct answer is Apiaceae. Next question is the average yield of turnip per hectare is. Option is 50 to 150 quintal, 150 to 250 quintal, 250 to 350 quintal, and 350 to 450 quintal. So correct answer is 150 to 250 quintal. Next question is serious damage due to shoot and fruit borer is in. Option is okra, turnip, chili, and brinjal. So correct answer is brinjal. Next question is cauliflower originated in. Option is Cyprus, China, India, and Australia. So correct answer is Cyprus. Next question is nitrogen fertilizer in tomato should be applied as. Option is total fertilizer prior to transplanting, total fertilizer after transplanting, 50% fertilizer prior to transplanting, and 50% 1 month after, or 50% fertilizer prior to transplanting and 50% fertilizer at first harvest. So correct answer is 50% fertilizer prior to transplanting and 50% 1 month after. Next question is pride of India is a variety of. Option is turnip, cauliflower, nolkhol, cabbage. So correct answer is cabbage. Next question is botanically lychee fruit is a. Option is nut, pome, berry, drupe. So correct answer is nut. Next question is Kal Megh is a variety of. Option is sponge gourd, brinjal, pea, sweet potato. So correct answer is sweet potato. Next question is excretory material of insect is. Option is urea, alanine, uric acid, ammonia. So correct answer is uric acid. Next question is ligament joints. Option is to muscles from one bone, muscle to muscle, bone to bone, and muscle to cartilage. So correct answer is bone to bone. Next question is silverfish is. Option is insect, mollusk, crustacean, fish. So correct answer is insect. Next question is the main enzyme present in gastric juice is. Option is lipase, nuclease, amylase, pepsin. So correct answer is pepsin. Next question is which is mismatched? Option is Lepidoptera butterfly, Hemiptera termite, Coleoptera beetle, Epterygota lepisma. So correct answer is Hemiptera termite. Next question is which of the following is not warm-blooded animal? Option is snake, rat, bulbul, kangaroo. So correct answer is snake. Next question is Brunner's gland are situated in the option is tongue, duodenum, small intestine, liver. So correct answer is duodenum. Next question is which of the following does not possess red blood? Option is earthworm, snake, fish, cockroach. So correct answer is cockroach. Next question is which animal does not possess four-chambered heart? Option is man, horse, rabbit, fish. So correct answer is fish. Next question is in Haber's process for manufacture of ammonia, the catalyst used is option is phenyl divided nickel, phenyl divided iron, phenyl divided platinum, or phenyl divided calcium. So correct answer is phenyl divided iron. Next question is formula of gypsum is option is MgSO4 2H2O, CaSO4 2H2O, 2CaSO4 or CaSO4 3H2O. So correct answer is CaSO4 2H2O. Next question is the IUPAC name of the compound CH2 double bond CH2 is option is butane 1, hexane 1, decene 1, ethene 1. So correct answer is ethene 1. Next question is the division of nucleus is known as option is cytokinesis, karyokinesis, anaphase, metaphase. So correct answer is karyokinesis. Next question is a true fruit develops from option is only thalamus, only nucellus, only ovary or only ovule. So correct answer is only ovary. Next question is meiotic division takes place in option is leaf, stem, flower, root. So correct answer is flower. Next question is vessels, tracheids, wood fiber and wood parenchyma are the components of option is xylem, phloem, medullary rays, cortex. So correct answer is xylem. Next question is the stomata are shrunken in option is hydrophytes, mesophytes, xerophytes and halophytes. So correct answer is xerophytes. Next question is in green plants photosynthesis occur in option is ribosome, mitochondria, chloroplasts, nucleus. So correct answer is chloroplast. Next question is which one is a short day plant? Option is tomato, pepper, soybean, sunflower. So correct answer is soybean. Next question is the edible part of coconut is option is epicarp, mesocarp, endosperm, endocarp. So correct answer is endosperm. Next question is when the phloem and cambium are present on both sides of xylem, the vascular bundle is called as option is radial, collateral, bicollateral, concentric. So correct answer is bicollateral. Next question is name the family of watermelon. Option is Malvaceae, Leguminosae, Cucurbitaceae, Cruciferae. So correct answer is Cucurbitaceae. Next question is Oryza sativa is the botanical name of option is maize, rice, potato, tomato. So correct answer is rice. Next question is the nitrogen fixing bacterium is option is Escherichia, Diplococcus, Azotobacter, Haemophilus. So correct answer is Azotobacter. स्टूडेंट्स एनएससी के ट्रेनिंग एग्जाम में सिर्फ 70 क्वेश्चन ही एग्रीकल्चर से होते हैं, बाकी एंड रेस्ट क्वेश्चन मैथ्स, रीजनिंग, जनरल साइंस और इंग्लिश से होते हैं। आप इन सभी सब्जेक्ट के क्वेश्चन और आंसर देख सकते हैं और उसे खुद से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपने वीडियो को अंत तक देखा है तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और ऐसे ही नॉलेजफुल और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए।